AgTech Tech Tip: Metric units. Gradework can be used on projects in both imperial and metric units. The procedures are basically the same. However, there are some small differences when it comes to scaling the plan sheets and entering depths of stripping and sectional areas. When starting a new job in meters, it is important to check meters as the units. The units will display an M at the bottom of the screen. When importing the PDF file, the job scale is entered as a universal scale rather than feet per inch. In metric, the scale is represented as a ratio. In this example, the scale is 1 to 500. So when entering the scale, enter 500 for the scale. When checking the scale, the distance is shown in meters. All elevations, stripping depths, and sectional depths are entered in meters. For example, when entering the depth of stripping or sectional areas, if the depth is 150 millimeters, it would be entered as 0.150. On the volume report, all areas and volumes are reported in square meters and cubic meters. In Materials Underground, the default materials and structures list will also be defined in meters. All length and area measurements are based on meters and square meters. All material multipliers must be entered accordingly. If you are calculating a material in metric tons, you would need to know the weight or density of the material. For example, if the material density is 2.6 metric tons per cubic meter, the multiplier would be 2.60. The section would be entered in meters, so 50 millimeters would be entered as 0.050. When defining the parameters for pipe trenches, the values are entered in millimeters, and trench volumes are reported in cubic meters. Depth brackets are reported in meters.